Okay, today I will show you how to apply this universal power supply driver module. There is 5 cables here with grind, ground, 12 volt up to 18 volt feedback, and this start to make this IC start working. Here I have LED television that cannot turn on. We have to unplug our power supply connector. As you can see, the fuse get burns and breaks. Make sure no voltage on this electrolytic capacitor. This is main capacitor on this power supply. DC. Okay, no voltage here. If you get voltage here, you can discharge this electrolytic capacitor with 10K, 10 kilo ohm, 2 watt resistor. And then make sure R diode on this transformer secondary side. Okay, this diode good, 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 good. And then make sure R diode on this transformer primary side. Good, 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 good. Okay, R diode is good. And then make sure this optocoupler you can use this module in several power supply circuit. You can also use this to make your own switching power supply. This is MOSFET. Remove all components that connected to the MOSFET. On this MOSFET. And also you have to remove all components that connected to this optocoupler chip. Make sure the pin 3 on this optocoupler chip connected to ground. Okay, just like this. Next, we have to connect these cables. For the first, the drain, this yellow cable. The drain connect to on the drain MOSFET here. Just like this. Then ground, this black cable, connect to the ground that connect to negative pin on this electrolytic capacitor. This is the ground and this is positive. Connect here. Next, 12 volt up to 18 volt. This red cable. Connect to 12 volt on this primary transformer. Connect to this resistor and then jumper here. Connect to this diode and here. So connect it on this diode. Just like this. Next, feedback, this white cable, connect to pin 4 on this optocoupler IC, pin 4, here, and then start this blue cable, connect to main positive on this electrolytic capacitor. Okay, next we have to replace this fuse with the same value. Okay, now I have to test this circuit. I will connect to the electric source. I will connect this to the electric source. And then, as you can see, make sure the voltage on these pins just same as the marking on the C voltage 50. On here 12 volt. Okay, 12 volt. Good. Then I will test it. Okay. Now the LED lights up. Okay. Then I will push the power button here. It's worked. Nice. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys.